Sawubona Brax kunjani?
Mnandi mfethu.
Siyabona namhlanje uvakashe eMandela endaweni yaseKatlehong. Ukuvakasha kwakho lana uzokwenzani namhlanje lana?
Ngahlahle into esizele la sibizwe ibranch yethu Action SA ukuthi sikwazi ukuzobona ukuthi kahlahle yini ledingwa abantu bala ekuhlaleni. And umphakathi uyawacela ukuthi nami ngifike so that they can be able to deliver their issues directly to myself. And into esibonayo noma into esitholayo masikhuluma nomphakathi is that there's serious unemployment rate. Number two, kunama-firm ala Al Road maningi big companies, there's Transnet, there's other companies also bakhala ngokuthi abantu abaqashwa because of the forum which plays a middleman in between abantu emele baqashwe ne-company. So the forum ibafuna imali, so they are asking for help ukuthi kolani icela usize ukuthi labantu be-forum bahlukane ngoba bona akusi-HR. So the reason why such people are not, or rather umphakathi wala eMandela is not employed, is because there are people that are making money from them mabafuna umsebenzi. But nonetheless, service delivery is a big issue lana, and unenkinga ye-crime because ama-highways lights wala awasebenzi. So makumnyama kuvele kube se-dark city. So we are just here to listen to umphakathi so that we can do this for umphakathi. When we get into government, we want to do our own things, but we want to do this for umphakathi. Because as a public servant, you are sent by the public, not yourself. So we are here to support Umfetu Zogalabwa. We are here to support Umfetu Ward 51. And make sure that he emerges as a good councillor.
Yeah, on that note, abantu bangakhohlwa ukuyo-register from 21, 22nd of June kuya-register. Ama-video afitshane kwakuthi Henkel neThamawo, and then sinayo alafanga kwelacala nalapha enhlapho zimbili Mrhobongo nenye lapha kwakhona. So abantu baphume bonke ngobuninzi bazovotela i-Action SA, sivoteleni ukutshintsha lwezinto.
Okay, siyabulela kakhulu futhi wami.